Messy, happily, and family. Fun gardening.
Before retaining wall, after. Charred gray. Garage door openers. White retaining wall. Hi everyone, I am Messy Happily. I work hard. And today I am staining. Let me show you all what I have here. Masonry and stucco paint. Can you even, I should have showed you this before. That's like a perfect design. But it was masonry, stucco, and brick paint. I bought this. This is white, number 280. I bought this like a year ago. I've been wanting to get to this retaining wall for so long, but this is what it looks like. So let me finish up. I am using my Wagner's paint gun, and this is part 2. Y'all seen how my yellow turned out. There's a lot of other stuff going on around here, but white always works. Here we go. Moving side to side. I have my setting on max. Max is for a house. So let me show you how this. So minimum is like a fence. 3 to 4 is a chair. 6 to 7 is inside the house. Max is outside the house. And anytime you're dealing with anything this texture, you need max. Wall took me about 25 minutes. So this entire wall will be about 45 minutes. Not bad for a pop of white color. Are really good if you have kids, because now I don't have the bucket and the roller, and I definitely, besides my hands, your hands get messy but your clothes don't, so I really like this sprayer a lot. Bending down helps your knees. Don't forget, your knees are important. Thank you so much, Wagner. This is my review. It works. I would suggest having a towel with you to wipe around this container, but they do clean really, really easy. So I was able to transfer navy blue, which I got navy blue on here, to white, and as you see, white is coming out, so it's very easy to clean out. But just keep your rag if you want to keep your outside clean, and a bucket of water to wash your hands to not transfer your paint onto the container. What did you say, Marcus?
Great job, Messy Happily.
Thank you so much.
Messy Happily and family.
Fun gardening. So yeah, I think that looks better. Spraying backwards and forwards. If you go in one straight line and end at the same area, you will have those lines. You all see like right up in there, those lines. So it's good to go across those lines. And if there's any more lines left, I blame it on the people who built it. All right, y'all, let me finish up. I'll show you what it looked like at the end. Pretty much looking at white on white up that way. Once them hydrangeas fill in, it'll be more green. Oh man, this gray is blue. I'm convinced. Even my neighbor stopped by and said, what, that blue? And here's Marcus. Let's see what Marcus has to say about this. Oh, I missed the red. Now we do still got the red up there, but I missed the red, you all. Marcus said it looked like a jail cell at first. Well, now what does it look like? You better not hit my baby. Baby, so at first it looked like a prison cell. What it look like now? You can't hear me. I cannot play. I'm not about to play with this little Mini Cooper.
Okay, I'm sorry, y'all.
Hello world. Baby, at first it looked like a prison. Now what does it look like? Wow.
It looks like a prison visitation area. I'm kidding. It looks extravagant.
For real, you like it for real? Be honest.
You got me free food.
Nice. Baby, you like it for real? It's going to grow on us? Yeah, that was supposed to be gray. I believe that's going to stay blue, unfortunately. But the deck, I'm going to go get some type of cedar. But okay. All right, y'all. Oh, I do got a white door. I gotta finish my deck upstairs, but it'll be white up there too. I guess I do. It do. This blue and white is just. It was supposed to be gray and white, but yeah, blue is gonna have to work. Blue.